back to my channel. This is the best place for entrepreneurs, content creators, and those who want to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. I am IJAPARI Gang, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 7 best places to invest in 2021. And if you are looking for a get rich quick, please, this video is not for you. And it doesn't matter when you are watching. It doesn't matter either you're watching me in the first week of January or you're watching me in December. All that matters is that you are here and you are ready to learn, because sometimes it's just a few days or just a few weeks or a month or even a year, but the difference will be so clear. And it's never too late to start investing. It's not ever late, because so many people will like, I know about this opportunity by so time I would have been this. But have you ever thought of people that are giving birth today and they will still come and tap into that same investment or that same opportunity? So please, there will be no excuses in this 2021. And as I'm going to start listing all the 7 places that you should start investing in 2021, I'm going to start with the one that is the least but the most important, before I will now go down to the ones that you need to invest your monetary value so that you earn money from your investments. So the first place that I would want you to invest in 2021 is investing in yourself. I know some of you will be like, are you kidding me? Is this what I'm watching? Yes. Investing in yourself is one of the most important investments. Yes, because it gives you more than like 100% return in investment. You need to invest in your growth. You need to invest in your mindset. Invest in taking action. Invest in becoming better you. Is very important, because mostly it's our mindset that is really blocking us, that is stopping us from starting, that is stopping us from growing, that is stopping us, that is keeping us. We are so afraid. We are not ready to take fearless action until you win and all that. So you need to invest in yourself. That's the first place you should invest in this 2021. The second type of investment that I would want you to invest in this 2021 is invest in skills. Yes, I was on a chat with somebody on WhatsApp, and it's so funny. And as a business coach, as a consultant, I discovered that a lot of people, the reason why they fail in their businesses is because they're not ready to invest in the skill. You see, somebody is ready to start POS business. Hello, ma, I want to start POS business. I have 250,000 naira. Do you think is enough to start? Okay, I will say yes, and then the person will go further to start asking me other questions, and I'll be like, okay, all these questions you're asking, I've answered them in an ebook. The ebook is just 1,000 naira. If you can buy the ebook, it will answer all the questions. And the person will now go further and say, I don't have a budget for that. So I'll be like, so you are ready to put in 250,000 naira, but you cannot sacrifice 1,000 naira to learn the in and out of the business. Are you kidding me? So the thing is, most of us, we fail to invest in the skill. We fail to invest in the skill of the business. And there are actually normal skill for a particular business you are going into, and then there are high income skill, which I'm going to be listing, so that you will know how you can invest in yourself and then invest in skills like communication, like sales, like marketing, like self-management, project management. All these are the type of skills that you should invest in, because it's going to help you along run. As I'm going to talk more about the business side of the investment, I really want to talk more on this so that you will get ready, because at the end of the day, even if you have the money, you have the capital, you go into the business, if you have not invested in yourself or invest in a skill or knowing more about that business, especially high income skill, you are going to suffer a lot as you grow your business. So the third place that you should invest in this 2021 is invest in community building. Is highly important. That is the difference between people that make sales and people that don't, because the internet has come to stay and everybody is now on the internet. I've been shouting it 5 years ago. I said, if your business is not on the internet, it will soon become a dinosaur, and that time has come. COVID has come, and a lot of people have learned the skills of advertising, being on social media and all that. Now there is a shift. It has changed. It's no longer anybody that come and advertise and people will start buying. People now buy from people they know, like, and trust. And I've talked a lot about this in my video on how you can sell anything to anyone. KLT, that's know, like, and trust. So now you need to invest in community building. You need to create an avenue, a place for your tribe, for your clients to build a good relationship, so that they will know you, they will like you and trust you. If you go on Instagram, there are some pages now, there are some guys, by the time they put up a phone, that this phone is up for grab, in less than 30 minutes 4-5 people have already made payment. And funny enough, this same phone, if you go to the market, sometimes you even get it at a cheaper rate, but because of the way they have built their brand, people have known them, people have liked them, people have trusted them, they have been given tons of amazing help, resources on the pages. People have come to like them and fall in love with them, as if you are in that city and you did not buy phone from them, as if you are missing out. So because of what, they have really built their community, they have given a lot of resources, a lot of information about gadget, how you can take care of your screen, what happened to your battery, how to do this and that. So they have built their community. Look at me right now, I'm right here, and I've been dishing out a lot of value. I'm building tribe, I'm building community. People are liking me, people are trusting me. That's why today I can boldly talk about the business and people come join me and all that. So the internet have shifted. It's no more about you just going to advertise. Whatsoever you're investing in, you must build community around your tribe. People must know you, like you, trust you. So you should invest in that. And when I say invest in that, does not mean that you just go and then call people somewhere and start talking. No, it could be that a YouTube channel like this one, it could be that a Facebook group and you start sharing, it could be that on Instagram page, it could be a blog or a website that you start dishing out value about a particular subject. Is highly important. These are the people that are commanding respect right now. Now if I tell you that I've published a particular book, people will come by. The fourth place you need to invest in this 2021 is you need to invest in tech. Yes, there are a lot of businesses that are coming up right now. They are so fresh. There are so many opportunities that are coming in tech. I don't know. Have you heard about Clubhouse? If you don't know about Clubhouse, let's just comment Clubhouse. I'm going to give you more details about Clubhouse. There's something serious, something very big that's going to change a lot of things. Is coming up, is already here, but right now it's not really open to everyone like that. Something big is coming. Tech now is going to the next level. I talked recently about a video that I did on 7 untapped business opportunities here in Nigeria. I talk about meeting place and all that. There is a lot of things going on right now on the social media, a lot of things happening. You need to invest in tech. Imagine those that invested in Zoom. See how they are smiling to the bank right now. And there are so many amazing ideas and amazing opportunities that are coming up right now that are up for grab. All you need to do is open your eyes to the resources around and available to you, and don't be afraid. If you are really ready to eat, open your heart and be committed to being wealthy. Take fearless action until you win. The fifth place you need to invest in 2021 is you need to invest in scalable online business. Gone are the days that you have to do everything by yourself because you want to do it, you want to manage your resources and all that. Now there are things that will make your work so easy. I can't remember when last I sit to type. All I do is I speak, and the speech to text will be typing whatever I'm saying. I'm talking about something scalable. Gone are the days that I would say I have to do all my clients one-on-one. Now I can create online course and upload it. I'll be sleeping, people are watching my videos and they are making payment. I can write my book, upload it on Amazon and people on my website. People can just go there online, download it, pay money, and it will be automatic and all that. So you need to invest in scalable online business. This is another place you need to invest, because yes, some people might ask, must everybody invest in online business? Must everybody have an online course and all that? Must everybody write a book? Yes. If I want to learn what you know, I will buy yours. When you want to learn what I know, you buy mine. It's going to that space right now. And the truth is, if you key into that early enough, you are going to enjoy it. Imagine if you know all that you know now about social media when Facebook first came. Imagine the difference. Imagine where you would have been by now. Imagine if you have all this information before a certain social media come in. That's why I talk about Clubhouse, and I'm going to talk more in my subsequent video. The sixth place you need to invest in is investing in gold. Yes, it has been predicted that gold is going to go very, very high this 2021. So investing in gold is going to be highly profitable. The seventh place that you need to invest in cryptocurrency. Let me breathe in first because all right, within the last 1 week, let me check right now so that it will be current. Within the last 1 week, Bitcoin moved from 13,728,987 to 16,679,584. This happened within a week, like 3 point something M. All right, Ethereum within a week moved from 344,253 naira to 528,201 naira. That is within a week. And believe you me when I say that in April 2020, Ethereum was at the value of 40,000 naira. Yes, Ethereum was 40,000 naira, and now it's not up to a year. Ethereum is already 528,201 naira. So the reason why I bring this to the last is because you need to first of all work on your mindset, work on yourself, invest in yourself, open your mind that it's possible, grow and take action and become a better you. That's why I start from the first one. Then invest in skills. When I talk about investing in skills, that means if you are going into cryptocurrency, learn the in and out of cryptocurrency. Then invest in community building, because another way you can make a lot of money is through referral. It's not must, but imagine when you have tribe of 10,000 people and you said, cryptocurrency is going high, you guys should come, here's my link, and they start registering. You are going to earn a lot of money. I say invest in tech because it also help you if you go into cryptocurrency. Investing in scalable online business is also highly important because it's all going to be falling one after the other. But like what is happening right now in the cryptocurrency world is like more than 500% increase. Imagine something you buy 40,000 naira in April, and this is January, is already 528,201 naira, and there is still room, there's possibility. Bitcoin started at $1, and today Bitcoin is 16 point something million naira, and then $1 is to 150 back then in Nigeria. The possibility is endless. I want each and every one of you to open your eyes to the opportunities that is happening right now. Gone are the days that you must have all the certificate before you get a job. I was discussing with somebody this morning. I was like, damn, it's coming that even here in Nigeria, government will start looking for people that will work, and people will be like, nah, I don't really have time for that. Imagine something, an app, you just click, invest a certain amount of money, within a week, your money did not just double, it triple. Yes, is that possible? So, and the reason why I did this video is I want to open your eyes to some certain things, because there's a video I want to make fully on cryptocurrency, but I want to know if there are people that are interested, because right here, right now, I'm with my phone. I can transfer money from my local bank account to my crypto bank account. I can also sell it and all that, and I want to teach you that live right here in this channel. I'm not hiding anything. So if you are interested, I want you to comment crypto. Just comment crypto. that is all I ask. Comment crypto, and if I get up to 20 people that comment crypto, that means it's worth all the time and energy to invest to create that video, so that I will teach you all the ins and the outs, the app you need, how to do it, how to sign up, how to get moved from your Naira account to cryptocurrency, how you want to sell it, how you can predict, and all that. I'm going to sharing it for you for free. I'm not hiding anything. I'm going to give you a link to do all that, but then I need at least 20 people that will comment crypto. Let me know that there are actually people that are interested, because I've never talked about something like this here on this channel. And again, if you have been watching since and up till this moment you have not subscribed, I'll be wondering why. Please click the like button. It means a lot to me. Click the subscribe button, as in like people that subscribe, you're so dear to me. If you share my video, in fact, I'll just give you a hug right now. Thank you so much. It has been amazing. Thank you so much for all your love, for all your support, for all your care, for all your concern. All the videos I mentioned, I will link it to the description of this video. Until I come again in my next video on cryptocurrency, that is if you share this video and comment crypto. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.